I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today is the day for the doll drawing. Happy Halloween to each and every one of you. It has been such a fun Halloween season. I have been so busy with one collab after another, getting my own crafts done, doing this, doing that, and it's wonderful. I love that. Having something to do is a wonderful thing in life. But today is the drawing. We went through and Darren has this little computer program that all the names go into, and he hits a button and it spins, and y'all have seen it. Now I have to tell you, it came up on other names, but when I went to check, they were not subscribers. The deal was you had to subscribe to all 3 channels. And the 3 channels are, the collab that I was invited to do was with Evergreen Arts and Patdoodles. Thank you, ladies, so much. This has really been fun. I can't thank you enough for including me. Remember, in the comments, do not give the name of the winner. Let them hear it in the video. Just say, congratulations to the winner, not their name. And the winner is Colleen Cook. Colleen, if you would please contact me at marna@dollsrescue.com. That's my email address. And let me know your address so I can get the little doll out to you. If you send me an email and I do not respond within 24 hours, I did not get the email. I don't know why, but sometimes it just doesn't come through. It's a weird thing, but it happens. So if I do not contact you in 24 hours, please send again or let me know in the comments that you tried to contact me and couldn't. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Again, thank you to Evergreen Arts and Patdoodles, and happy Halloween. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and leave a like.